The final piece of the pie has been announced, and that is Pro Circuit Kawasaki telling us who's racing where and well, I guess not really why, but when. So obviously the two that are racing out west are going to be Levi Kitchen, who is going to be the big talking point against Deegan, and Garrett Marchbanks making his return to the team after 4 years with Club MX, which is going to leave Ty Masterpool, Cameron McAdoo, and Seth Hammaker in the East region, with up and coming Drew Adams slated to race the Supercross Futures in 2025, and also, I guess, technically could be a fill in. And with this team's curse, probably might see him at some point in Supercross. I don't think they really want to do that though. He's gonna race, should race futures. They've got him for a 2 year deal for 26 and 27, and there's no reason for you know to have him get hurt racing in above his head at the moment. We're just gonna have to see how this works. I mean, obviously, McAdoo's been on the team for a long time, pretty consistently injured. Ty Masterpool, after his really good motocross season last year, earned his seat at least for this year. And then we got Kitchen and Smith, or not Kitchen and Smith, sorry, Kitchen and Marchbanks. This will be Kitchen's second year on the team, and like I said before, Marchbanks' return after being on Club MX for the last 4 years to the team. I think he started his pro. Yeah, I think he started with them. Uh, so this will be good. Obviously, A1 is coming up as I'm recording this tomorrow, which is sick. Cannot finally wait for racing to be back. But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Who's going to win A1? Who's going to win the 450, 250 titles? What do you think of the teams? Who went where and why? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.